is Irfan again. How are you? So I was just browsing the market and I have found a bar light which is LED light. So I have purchased the light which is 300 rupees in Pak rupees, and if I'll convert into the dollar it will cost me $1.8. Let's consider $2. So I have bring 5 LEDs. Let me show you the LED. So this is the LED. You can see it's the length of the LED is 4 feet. So it's a 4 feet LED and with the connectors. So let's do the paperwork first and see how we can place the LEDs and make the interesting lamp. So let's get started with the sketching first. Finally guys, we are done with the prototyping and now let's find the proper stuff for the lamp. Let me show you the prototype. This one is the selected prototype and let's make it the real lamp. We need to find the base for this lamp. Let me dig out in the store and let's find something proper. So one thing I forget, that you need to buy 3 white and 2 yellows. So both white and yellow will become the natural light. So we have to buy white and yellow both. So guys, for the base I have found something very interesting. That's an ashtray, I guess. I don't know, is this an ashtray or some kind of decoration? So I found this for the base. So we have the lights, the plier and the wire. It's a iron wire to tie the lights with the base. So let's start the project. So guys, finally I have assembled all the LED lights. You can see how they look like. Now the next step is install the light to the wall. My son is testing the quality of the light. So how's the quality?
Great, it's great. But there's still some joints you didn't complete it, like this one.
Yeah, I will do it later.
Okay. So guys, now my dad is going to fix a lamp in the roof, and let's see what are the final results. Guys, if you like the lamp, then hit that like button, and also don't forget to press on that subscribe button and share the video as much as you guys can.
So guys, finally the lamp has been created and installed to the roof, and now it's time to see the final look. So if you guys like the lamp, do like and subscribe to my channel, and let me create some interesting stuff for you again and again. So oh no, I guess someone is coming. So let's cut the video. Let's go and find the final look.